If you're experiencing matchmaking error 2026 in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be causing the error. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official CS2 server status page or community forums to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches or connection issues. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game client, navigate to the game library, right-click on CS2 and select Properties. From there, choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Go to the device manager on your computer, find your network adapter, and check for any available updates. Keeping your drivers current can help improve connectivity and reduce errors. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to CS2 support for further assistance. Good luck and happy gaming!